House and lot for sale here in Concepcion 2, Marikina City. And ipapakita ko sa inyo ngayon, it is a brand new duplex for sale. Ito guys, once na pumasok kayo sa main gate, ito yung bubungad sa inyo. It is a 2-car garage. Kasyang-kasya rito, SUV or sedan na sasakyan. And then merong gate sa kaliwa, access yan doon sa may laundry area. And this is your main door. Wow! Pagpasok niyo pa lang sa loob ng property, ito yung bubungad sa inyo, living area, dining area, and your kitchen area. So yan. And proceed tayo dito sa may maid's room. This is your maid's room, kasi dyan double deck na bed. And this is your laundry area. And check natin itong bedroom number 1 sa may ground floor. And this is the toilet and bath sa may ground floor. Nakita natin guys yung ground floor. Akyat naman tayo sa may second floor. So dito sa may second floor, nandito lahat yung kwarto. So meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. And nandito na tayo ngayon sa may second floor. Ang una nyo makikita is yung family area. So napaka-spacious guys. And proceed tayo dito sa second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And check natin itong toilet and bath niya. And now let's proceed to the third bedroom. So ito siya. And ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. And now, puntahan natin yung last part, which is the master bedroom. So spacious. Meron siyang walk-in closet.